Alright guys, so next clip here, we are going to pull and save. We're going to go try and find a new timing cover for this engine. Whoever dealt or worked with this car last destroyed it, and I just realized it, so we're on our way to go do that, and we will record the adventure as we're doing so. And yeah, so it should be some fun. Let's get to it. Alright guys, we're here. I'm lugging around this heavy ass tool bag. We already found one Forester, but it didn't have the engine in it, so we're gonna keep looking here.
Here's one.
Well, let's see. Get that out of the way. Need to get that radiator out. That's what we need. Get that timing cover out. We also need one piece on the interior.
That's not the same.
It's got to be a certain color. Yeah, that's what we need.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, so we'll grab that out real quick, and we'll see if we can get this timing cover out. Turn it around. Jesus. Okay. I believe this is exactly what we need. Let's see. Cool, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna try and find a cleaner looking engine cover. I mean, this is pull and save, so like, we're not gonna find one that's absolutely perfect, but the less cleanup I can do, the better. So let's see here. Here's one. Probably has the engine out already. Nope. That looks exactly like what we need. Yep. Alright, so let me go grab my tools and we'll come and snag this real quick.
Oh, you get to use the new gun. Alright, so I forgot my regular Got my regular 3/8 drive tools, so we're just gonna make do. Got to take this AC condenser out. So we can get our impact in there, get that crankshaft pulley off, and get the timing belt off, cover off without breaking it. Get it all the way this crankshaft pulley. Like that. Just enough to get it cracked loose. And I can work my gun out of here. Like that. Now we can switch to this. With an extension. Sweet. Okay, now we'll come in here. Like I said, I don't have any of my 3/8 tools, so I'm doing this all with a massive breaker bar. Wow. Alright, so there was one strip bolt we could not get. So went and found the next one. So let's get this crankshaft pulley bolt off. It's already accessible. Maybe. I'll make it accessible. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we're almost there. All right. That's how you make it more accessible. like that. There we go. Cut this belt again.
Look at that.
Hell yeah. Alright guys, so next you'll see me continuing on the build on this. Yeah, I found out the timing cover was completely destroyed yesterday, so yeah, we'll get this new one on and then get on with the build once I get the rest of my parts, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so that was a successful trip. Got some dirty hands. Gotta love pull and save. Someone over here almost just pulled out in front of you. So that timing cover, the whole timing cover, actually just the big piece, because it was a 2-piece timing cover, just the big piece on Parts Geek was like $85 without shipping, and that was pointless. So we went there. It was $2 a person for entry fee, and we also got this dome light because the other one was painted like this, looks like crap. And then we got this piece here, which is blue, so we now have a black one, and that timing cover with a bunch of extra bolts and all that stuff for what, $9.54, something like that. So altogether like $15, not even, for that whole trip. So I just saved $70+, potentially even $100. So yeah, pull and save is great. So I really am happy with what we got there, and it wouldn't have happened if I didn't use that new Milwaukee Impact, because there was no way for me to break loose that crankshaft pulley bolt because I couldn't hold the engine still. But that impact just got in there